taken to Italy, and they manufactured Do you live with Illinois? No, we live in Have you got your,
I'm producer too.
Harrison Allen. It was made about 1888.
Whose gun is that?
I'm not up
Is
on
that
it.
a gun of an
No,
old
it has a feature.
half a gun? You have to load
Well,
the bullets with
the
powder.
problem with the
It's
revolver
is
was
it old
if you had the
fashioned gun
thing
or?
on a cartridge,
They're taking me to the There's a lot of people coming in the door. I don't know all of them. If the internet is my relative, Here's my stuff, Johnny. Come over. Here's my early. John.
Okay, that's good.
Try to get everybody around the table if you can.
There's Steve.
See, to get Aunt Nancy, you're going to have to... All right. That was nothing really clear. All right, that's good.
Is it moving now? Make sure you get everybody.
Yeah, you can talk. You can tell us when you can't think of anything to say.
Yeah.
Yes. Don't be about it.
Good luck. Let's say four.
Well, how do you know? April 2nd, 1983. Bye.
Hi, this is John Trower, and this is basketball star Todd Mitchell.
Hi.
And this is birthday boy Dave Trower.
Hi. We also have Mike Lynch, the best defender in the country. So, you really got faked out there.
He faked me out, but I'm still the best in the country.
John, pass.
Todd!
I made it!
Yeah!
Oh, hurry, Mike. You can't do that. I just did. You can't. Doesn't count.
Stop it!
And now, presenting Mike Lynch with his piano concerto number 5 in E flat.
Number 4. It's in B minor.
So.
Stop it!
First we stay at the luxurious Ace Motel, Indiana.
You've been getting some pretty good movies?
Yeah.
That might be enough.
I don't know what it is.
Oh, okay. This is the Monongahela River and the Allegheny River that come together to form the Ohio River, and Three Rivers Stadium. I don't know what else is there. And the city skyline. Gee, I get so nervous when I get...
Look at this shot. Good view, huh? Wow.
This is the Holiday Inn North in Wilmington, Delaware, Route 202. The Trower family from Chesterfield, Missouri, which is a suburb of St. Louis, is here visiting. And we have here David and Emma Pancos, Kathy Trower, Nancy Trower, and David Trower, and Harry Pancos. And our faithful photographer is John Trower.
Hey, John, stop.
John Trower, the most important of them all.
There he goes, David in the pool. Go, man, go. You might get in the Olympics yet.
You done? You
This is the beach in Delaware, August 17th, 1983. Hi. How are you today, Mark? You fine? Okay. Where's Mommy? Where's Mommy? Is that Mommy?
Where's Daddy at?
Show me. Say hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Oh, hi, doggy. He likes to walk.
This is John Trower, the most important of them all.
Yes. Oh, yeah. That's good. That's good.
Dave and Alan playing football at the beach.
They're waiting for you, John. That horse is but I'm serious. I'd rather...
Ride those waves.
Ride those waves.
I'm going to jump into the water.
They're really in it. Yeah, Alan knows how to time it. Yeah. You know?
Hi, Dad.
Hey, Dad.
Hi, Mom.
Hey, Ma. Where's Mommy? Hey, Mike. Do you have a choo-choo train? A cute train at home? Could
Hi.
So did Daddy go sleep? They go sleep. Hi. Hi.
Hi. Daddy's sleeping.
Hi. Hi. Daddy's asleep, Mark. Hi. Tell Daddy wake up. Tell Daddy wake up.
Oh, okay, I'll wake up. Oh, my.
It's the governor's mansion in Williamsburg. Johnny's taking a picture.
Here we are in Williamsburg, Virginia. I'm John Trower.
This is the King's Arm Tavern, which is across the street from Raleigh Tavern. This is Raleigh Tavern, named after Sir Walter Raleigh. Guess who they are?
Bloody Britain.
Even John the Stock. John, he's innocent. I'm not sure about that.
We didn't do it.
Now they're in there. How do you feel in there?
Not very good at all.
Not good. It's not very comfortable. It's up there.
There you have it.
This is the Duke of Gloucester Street in Williamsburg. Hi, man. How you doing? Good. Where do you think we should go? Where shall we go next? Oh! Have you seen Jimmy lately? Not since October. I came home from school one weekend and he came over, visited us. That was nice. Yeah. I haven't really seen anybody too much lately. Have you seen Billy? Saw him at Thanksgiving. And my mom and dad went and saw him in a play, Sound of Music. Sound of Music? Oh, that's nice. Yeah. He played the Nazi that brings the tiger. Oh. How old are Lisa and Linda now? Well, your mom said they were 9.
And that's the way it was, August 20th, the 1983 trip east.
me. I really do. Please, Father, please leave something for them to remember me by. Oh, please, I've always worshipped you. A baby. I'll name you Danny. Thank you.
Don't you think Danny's hyper?
He is hyper, you know. Hey, there he is. Look. It's not funny, Steve. This guy can be dangerous.
But he's so weird, I can't help it.
Hey, Danny, come here. What do you want?
Hey, Danny, do you really take hyper pills?
Shut up. Do not.
It's okay. I just want to know what they're called.
Oh, I think it's called Remolex.
He's a Remolex kid.
Hedge clipper. Remolex kid. Remolex kid.
Look at him go.
I'm probably going home and tell his mommy. Yeah, there he is.
And the first one the Lamb saw cast into the earth was the child. And this is Antichrist, of whom you have heard that cometh. For lo, he is already in the world. Could this be? Go. Oh, it's a unicorn.